In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to master dashboards in Monday.com. Dashboards bring information together so you can see progress, priorities, and workloads at a glance. We'll start from a blank dashboard and end with connected boards, visual widgets, and useful filters, so you can quickly turn raw tasks into clear decision-ready insights. First, open Monday.com and go to your home screen. From there, head into Workspaces. Workspaces help keep teams and projects organized, so choose the one where this dashboard should live. This keeps your data scoped correctly and makes sharing easier later. Inside the workspace, click the plus sign to create something new and choose Dashboard. Give your dashboard a clear descriptive name that your team will instantly recognize. Think about how people will use it, whether it's for leadership reporting, sprint tracking, or capacity planning, and name it accordingly. Next, choose the right privacy setting. If the dashboard is for your core team, keep it internal. If you need to collaborate with guests, pick a shareable option. When in doubt, start more restricted and open it up later as needed. Then click Create Dashboard. Now it's time to connect data. Click Connect Boards. Use the search bar to find the boards that actually contain the work you want to visualize. Select the board or boards that matter most for this view, then click Done. Connecting only the boards you need keeps the dashboard fast and focused. With the data in place, let's add widgets. Click Add Widget and choose Chart. Charts are perfect for turning statuses or numbers into quick visuals, like items by status or tasks by priority. Add the widget, and you'll be ready to configure it to highlight the metric that matters to your team. Click Add Widget again and select Gantt. A Gantt widget gives you a timeline view across your connected boards, making dependencies and deadlines easy to spot. It's great for planning sprints, mapping milestones, or tracking project phases at a glance. Next, add the People widget. This shows who owns what, making workload and accountability visible across teams. It's helpful for stand-ups and capacity reviews. Finally, click Filter to focus your dashboard. Narrow by person, status, date range, or any key criteria to zero in on what's relevant right now. If you ever filter too tightly and data disappears, clear or adjust the filter to bring everything back. And that's it. You created a dashboard, connected the right boards, added core widgets, and applied filters for clarity. Keep names consistent, review privacy regularly, and connect only the boards you need. With these steps, your Monday.com dashboard becomes a dependable, at-a-glance command center for your work.